Good morning, student. Today is my lecture number 64 and I am going to start today share forfeiture account. Or we can say that forfeiture of shares. Today we will know about how to share forfeited and what will be the journal entry for this purpose. Student, first we know that meaning of forfeiture of share. If any shareholder fails to pay the amount due on allotment or any call within the specified period, the director may cancel his shares. This is called forfeiture of shares. It may be noted that the shares can be forfeited only if the article of association of the company allow them to forfeited. In order to make the forfeiture valid, it is essential to follow the rules laid down in the articles. Student, you all know the article of association and memorandum of association of the company. So this is not need to describe it. If no rule are given in article, the provision of table F of Schedule 1 of the Company Act 2018, Schedule 1, Table F of Company Act 2013 regarding forfeiture apply. The usual procedure is that the defaulting shareholder must be given a minimum of 14 days notice requiring him to pay the unpaid amount on his share together with the accrued interest thereon. The notice must state that if the unpaid amount is not paid within a certain period, that is 14 days, his shares shall be forfeited. If in spite of this notice, the shareholder still does not pay the unpaid amount on his shares may be forfeited by a resolution of the board of directors. So, student, after the forfeiture, the name of shareholder is removed from the register of member. The amount already paid by him belongs to the company now, and is not returned to him. So, this is the process of forfeiture of share. Now, journal entry for forfeiture of share will be first when forfeiture of shares which were issued at par. At par. On forfeiture of shares, the share capital is reduced and as such, share capital account is debited for the amount which has been called so far on the forfeited share. Unpaid call account are credited in order to cancel their debit balance standing in the books. The amount already paid by the defaulting shareholder is credited to share forfeiture account. So, journal entry will be share capital account DR to share allotment account when allotment money not received to share call account, suppose first call, final call also not given by shareholder, and to share forfeiture account. Students, you have to know that in share forfeiture account only those money will transfer which has been received by company on application, and those money which were not received by company, it will transfer into share allotment account, share call account, and share capital account will be debited by full amount, that is number of share forfeited into called up value per share. Now, journal entry will be forfeited number of share forfeited, that means if suppose 500 share forfeited, then narration will be 500 share forfeited issued at par. In case calls in arrear account is maintained by a company, calls in arrear account would be credited in place of share call account or allotment account. Now, suppose I give one example. Gopal holding of 100 share. Gopal holding of 100 share of 10 each, on which he had paid 3 on application and 2 on allotment, but could not paid 2 on first call. If share of Gopal are forfeited by the director, the entry for the forfeiture of share will be share capital account DR to share first call account to share forfeiture account. Now amount will be 100 share into 7 only, because here issued at 10 each, but I have called up only rupees 7. So only at the rate of 7 share capital will be debit rupees 700, and on first call at the rate of rupees 2 not received, so it will be credited by 200, and I have received at the rate of rupees 5 each, 3 on application and 2 on allotment, so it will be 500. So this is the journal entry of share forfeiture account. Now let us see some other example based on share forfeiture. Forfeiture of share which were issued at premium. This may be discussed under two heads. First, when forfeiture takes place after the premium is received. When forfeiture takes place after the premium is received. According to section 52, of Company Act 2013, if premium has been fully collected, it cannot be cancelled, even if that share is forfeited later on. As such, securities premium reserve account will not be debited in the entry for forfeiture in this case. And second case is when forfeiture takes place before the premium is received. When a share is forfeited on which the premium has become due but has not been received either wholly or partially, the security premium reserve account must be debited with the full amount of premium in the entry for forfeiture. The entry is in this case will be share capital account DR security premium reserve account DR to share allotment account to share call account to share forfeiture account. Being number of share forfeited issued at premium. You can see one example based on security premium. So let us see. Suppose X Limited issued 100 shares at the rate of 10 each at a premium of rupees 4 at premium rupees 4 per share. Only rupees 3.50 per share have been received on these shares on application. Gopal has not paid rupees 650 on allotment including premium and 2 on first call and 2 on final call. So we can see here, including premium, total value of share will be 10 plus 4. It will be 14. And here also application 350, allotment including premium 650, 2 on first call and 2 on final call. So total will be rupees 14. Now entry for the forfeiture of this question, share capital account DR security premium reserve account DR to share allotment account to share first call account to share final call account to share forfeiture account. Now I will put the amount. So amount will be at the rate of 10 each on 100 share 1000 rupees in share capital account, because I have called up all the call, and security premium rupees 100 into 4, it will be 400, and I have not received allotment money 100 into 650, so it will be 650. On share first call 100 into 2 each, so it will be 200, and on first call final call 100 into 2, it will also be 200, and in share forfeiture I have received only application money at the rate of 3.5 rupees per share, so I will forfeit it 100 into 3.5, it will be 350. When I will add all the credit side, it will equal to debit side. So in case of premium and we have not received premium money, then journal in case of forfeiture of share, we have to debit the security premium reserve account. Now student, let we see one more example related to forfeiture of share. Suppose X Limited issued 1000 shares at the rate of rupees 10 each on premium of rupees 2 each. Premium of rupees 2 each. Payable rupees 2 on application, 5 on allotment including premium with premium, 3 on first call, and remaining balance 2 on final call. Question says all the shares were subscribed for and money received except Mr. A who failed to pay allotment and first call on 100 shares. His shares were forfeited, and question also said Mr. B, this was Mr. A and this is Mr. B, did not pay both the call, did not pay both the call on 200 shares. and his share were forfeited after second call. His share were forfeited after second call. I again repeat. Question. X Limited issued 1000 shares, 10 each, at the rate of premium of 2 each, received 2 on application, 5 on allotment with premium, 3 on first call, 2 on final call, and last question says, all the money received except Mr. A failed to pay allotment and first call money on 100 share, and his share were forfeited. Mr. B did not pay both the call on 200 share and his share were also forfeited after second call. But Mr. A's share forfeited after first call, because question says Mr. A failed to pay allotment and first call. So, journal entry will be first. We will start bank account DR to share application account. Total amount will be 2000 on 1000 share at the rate of 2 each, and I will transfer share application account. So share application account DR to share capital account, and amount will be same 2000. Now third journal entry will be share allotment account DR to share capital account to security premium reserve account. Now amount will be 5000, and in share capital it will be 3000, and security premium will be 2000 on 1000 share. Now when we received allotment money, journal entry will be bank account DR to share allotment account, and Mr. A failed to pay on 100 share. He has not given allotment money, so I will deduct 100 share at the rate of 5 each, and it will be 4500 only. Now first call money due, so share first call account DR to share capital account, and amount will be at the rate of 3 per share 3000 rupees. When money received, journal entry will be bank account DR. We can write calls in arrear account DR to share first call account because Mr. A failed to pay on 100 share and Mr. B also did not pay both the call. It means on first call and second call. So both the shareholder 100 plus 200 on 300 share at the rate of 3, 900 not received on first call. So only out of 3000 I will received 2100 rupees. Now Mr. A's share forfeited after first call. So I will do the journal entry for share forfeiture account. So journal entry will be share capital account DR to share share capital account DR security premium reserve account DR to share allotment account to share first call account to share forfeiture account. Now you can see that called up is up to first call. So I will not take the money of final call and share capital will debited on 100 share at the rate of 8 only. So it will be 800 and security premium will be debited because I have not received security premium. So it will also cancelled. So it will debited by 2 and it will be 200. On share allotment at the rate of 5, it will be credited by 500. On first call 300 and I have received only application money at the rate of 2 each. So it will be 200. Now you can see in both side, debit side or credit side, it will be 1000. Now journal entry for due of second call. So share final call account DR to share capital account. Now a student, one more thing, I have left only 900 share because 100 share of Mr. A has been forfeited. So I will due on first call only 900 share at the rate of 2 each. So it will be 1800 only. And when money received, bank account DR calls in arrears account DR to share final call account. Amount will be in final call account 1800 and calls in arrear will be of Mr. B 200 share, it will be 400, and bank account will be 1400. Now, after second call, B's share were also forfeited. So, journal entry will be share capital account DR to share first call account to share final call account to share forfeiture account, and it will be on 200 share at the rate of 10 each, because I have called all the installment. So it will be 2000, and on share first call at the rate of 200 on 200 share at the rate of 3 each, I have not received 600, and on final call also on 200 share at the rate of 2 each, I have not received 400, and on Mr. B's share I have received allotment and application money at the rate of 5, so it will credited by 1000. So this is the solution of this question. Thank you. I will meet you in next video with reissue topic, forfeiture and reissue of share. Thank you very much.